Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. We are Perahu Plastik from Internet Programming 1 and this is our video conceptual product of our proposal. So the problem statement of pertandingan kalender Iskandar Puteri Rendah Carbon. This competition has inefficient data collection, which is right now it is using Google Form. After that, it uses manual carbon emission calculations and also manual data verifications by the MBIP staff. And then there is a lack of reporting framework and there is barriers to participation as old people might struggle with Google Form. And lastly, there is a huge need for streamlined system so that we are able to monitor carbon emission easily. So the proposed solution is Envirocarbon. Envirocarbon reduced MBIP staff workload through automation. This system provides precise carbon reduction calculations and educate the public about low carbon activities and monitor carbon emission. The features are like registration, automated data analysis, competition management, and effective dashboard. So the first module is user management, which include user registration and login, update profile details, and manage account and accessibility. After that, electricity consumption, which collect electricity consumption data, data verification, and also automated electricity consumption calculation. After that module is water consumption, which is we collect water consumption data, do verification and also calculation. Next, recycle consumption, which is collecting the activity data and do a verification and also calculation. The last module is carbon analysis, which generate carbon analysis based on the calculation result. And lastly, sort participant based on their resource consumption, thus identifying a winner. That's all from us. You can view our Figma file from this QR code or in the description. Thank you.